Okay. Hi, girls. Guess what?
What?
It's summertime, and Aunt Barbie is here with Kaylin and Anna and Season and Aunt Sherry. And Jared, it's rude to have you back to the camera. Jared's been here for 3 days by himself. Aunt Sherry came and got him at our house and brought him back to the farm.
Her middle name's Daisy Lee.
Oh, she's got a new kitten. What's its name?
Daisy Lee. Daisy Lee. Come on.
And there's Tyson. Hi, Daisy Lee. There's Tyson. Kaylin's already got a skin face she got from Tyson. Kaylin, show me your skin face for Daddy on camera.
Oh, wait. Look. Wait. Show. Look at him.
And let's get a good look at Aunt Sherry over here.
I've got a hurt finger since I've been here. It's chaos.
There's the beauty queen.
Cave.
In 40 years, we'll show her this, and she'll say, gee, I look good back
Honey, I'll always look good. It's us Southern women.
then. Man, I'll take this back and show Dad and Mary Ann. You want to have anything to say to Dad and Mary Ann?
Well, yeah. Hi, guys. I sure wish we could be there. Come out to sunny California. We're broke. The whole state's broke, but come on out anyway. There's lots of crime, but we don't see much of it up here. Barbara does.
Oh, heck, I do not. Dad likes San Jose. Mary Ann does too. It's cooler there. Oh, well, nothing's like living out here.
Right.
Anything else, Sherry?
No, just eat some good food for me.
Oh, my.
She's got asthma.
Good Southern cooking.
Season, do you have anything to say?
I hate my asthma.
And what else do you want to say to Grandpa and Mary Ann?
Hi, I love you.
Isn't Season a pretty girl? And who do we have here? Anna? Do you have anything to say to Grandpa and Mary Ann? What would you like to say?
I love you. I miss you.
You like that kitty, don't you, Missy? Come here. Who's this? Now, who's this?
You got boogies in your eyes.
Say granddaddy.
Granddaddy.
Say granddaddy.
Granddaddy.
Yes, her says it good.
Tyson. No, bad boy.
Tyson, go lay down. Go on. Go lay down. Go on.
Jared's in there having a snoozy. It's the reason we haven't seen him.
Yeah.
And there's Sherry's new house, sitting out here in God's country. We'll take a walk around later. Got a deck all the way around. Oh, honey, we got lots of film.
You want to hold her?
It's as beautiful here today as it gets
Down. You sit down.
in July.
Get up there.
It's probably in the low 80s.
Climb up there.
New baby chicks and a new kitten. Some new additions to the household up here. There's old Tyson. Tyson, give me a 1-2.
Good boy.
Tyson, what do you think of that face, boogers and all?
He's
Is that a bulldog or what?
No.
That's a Georgia bulldog if I've ever seen one.
Yep.
I'll play the drum.
Actually, he's a boxer, but we could fake it. Oh, Misty's. Her got the kitty now. I bet Granddaddy will have some animals. Or maybe you could take him to Uncle Bobby's. He's always got some.
Kaylin's found her baby.
Ow! Don't bite
She's an
me.
animal lover.
Don't bite me.
Look at her legs. Look what she's done already since she's been here.
No bite you.
And her little face.
No.
Show Mom her little face. All scarred up already.
You're slobbering them.
I hear a tractor getting started. Uncle Paul's home. It's still July 20th. Aunt Sherry's cooking clam chowder and cheesecake and muffins and BLTs with homegrown tomatoes inside. They're letting it warm up. There it goes. Such a beautiful day here. Happy to be alive. Here comes the tractor. Look at that looking. Paul, Anna, Jerry, and Kay. Look at that.
Mama.
There it goes. It's just lovely in here. Look at those wheels turn. There they go. Sun's shining bright. We'll dismiss ourselves now.
Is your cap on? And with the speck on.
Look at this, would you? Kaylin in her first costume. She looks like a real lady.
Kaylin, here. Let's put a hat on so Mama can see you.
Turn around, Kaylin.
Wait, I can't put it on so it won't be.
Turn around.
Here,
Get up.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Season's helping me grate cheese for my enchilada casserole dish. We had a busy day down at the river today. It's beautiful. Season's got asthma.
Okay, get up.
Look at cheese! Oh, look how pretty.
She got my froggy outfit. I wore it when I was
Oh, turn around, Kaylin.
I wore
Watch her going down the stairs. Honey, she could fall.
It's gonna make her.
All because of this famous
I'll fall too.
Read my lips. Well, okay, buddy.
2 years later, Bush accepted one of the largest tax hikes in history.
Look at Mama.
Oh, look at me up here, Jared. Look how silly you look.
Now go kiss KK. Go kiss KK. Go kiss KK. Kiss KK, Jared. Kiss
Look at Jared. I never seen anything so cute.
Kiss Jared.
Oh, and he kisses
Look
his
at me,
little girl.
Jared.
No, all on together.
I know.
Stop right there, Jared.
Hi, Jared.
Anna, get back. KK, look at me. KK,
KK, look at Uncle Paul.
go get back.
Oh, look at
Jared.
And she goes.
There she is. All grown up now.
Don't throw it. And then she
Emily
throws
just
it.
made it 10 minutes ago, and we're so happy to have her here with all the other little cousins. We're going this to show Grandpa and Marianne,
Hi, Marianne.
Granddaddy,
Hi,
and Billy and Lewis.
Tell them about where you
and
just
Sarah.
I went to Oregon.
You did?
Yeah.
What was the most fun you had?
We went on some boat ride. It was really fun on the river.
Ooh.
Catching fish?
We caught one trout.
Wow, how big?
Caught 14 inches.
Did you eat it?
Yeah, it was kind of gross.
Oh, you did eat it? Well, you're used to fresh fish.
Yeah, but I like.
Excuse me.
You like Monterey fish better? Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna break your video camera, Barbara. Watch what you do. Now here's time to put some. Jerry, come here. Haley.
Look what the girls did to my boy.
Jerry, look at the camera. Thanks, Mom. Jerry, look at the camera.
Those are some pretty flowers there, Paul.
Oh, get that out of here. Oh, that